Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, I'm actually working on a Ford Transit van. And hang on one second. And it got me thinking about something here. When I went to go check the oil, I thought the oil came out pretty nasty. But when I went to go check the oil, after doing the oil change, I only added 5 quarts to it. I know this thing holds like 6.5. But anyway, it got me thinking when I pulled the stick out. I want to show you something. Let's say you're looking at to buy a used car. How can you tell if it was maintained? Like, how can you really tell? Was this vehicle maintained, or did somebody just change the oil or whatever? I'm going to show you something. I've actually never seen one this bad, but I want to show you something. And it's pretty simple and pretty easy, and it's what you should be doing anyway. So let me show you what I am talking about. I'm just setting up a tripod. All right. So, dipstick down there. We're going to pull this dipstick out. I know I got to add oil to it. I haven't started yet, but okay. What do you notice about this stick? You see how grody it is and nasty it is all the way up. It's like it's burnt. See that? It's like it's burnt. That's nasty. And a lot of times when you pull a stick out of a vehicle that has not been maintained properly, a lot of times it'll have areas on it where the oil is actually burned onto the stick. And I've seen that plenty of times. So I thought right there, just a good indication of, hey, this vehicle is not maintained very well. So if you pull out a stick, and instead of it being like a silver color or whatever, and it's got like burnt on whatever, like it was, like you just baked a lasagna or something, and it's like stuck to the pan, you just get that like burnt look in certain spots. That vehicle wasn't maintained. I'll tell you that right now. The vehicle was not maintained properly. So I just thought I'd show you that. I'm sure the inside of this motor is probably nasty. I don't know if I can get in there and actually see inside the valve cover. Really not an incredible amount to see in there. Yeah, you can't really see much of anything, but you can actually see it's dark and discolored, but that doesn't really tell you much of anything. I mean, there's a layer of gook in there. So that right there, all of those signs lead to, hey, this thing wasn't maintained properly from the beginning. So, like I said, looking at a used car, pull the dipstick out, look at the actual stick itself. See what it actually looks like. Does it have burnt marks on it or anything like that? Good indication. All right, guys, hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, have a great day. Keep wrenching.